Octans. Octans is a smart contract driven by the community. AKA, it's a meme coin. It's a meme coin. It's okay. It's okay to just admit, Octans, you are a meme coin. It's funny. This uses nice, fancy words to essentially call itself a meme coin. It's okay. You are in the right spot if you're watching this video. You know what? I am a believer in deflationary meme coins, and I love it. I'm hopping on board. I will be devoting a lot of my effort into understanding the psychology and the charts and the communities of deflationary meme coins. I have been in meme coins since 2013. Dogecoin. I bought and sold Dogecoin on eBay. Now, I bought Dogecoin on Doge Marketplace and sold it for a profit on eBay before eBay shut down my listings, and it's okay because meme coins depend on their communities. And whether or not you want to be called a meme coin, it doesn't matter, but let me tell you something. Now, if you're watching this video anytime within April 9th, now seems to me like a very good time to get into this crypto. And why is that? Well, let's talk about their tokenomics real quick. Rewards to holders. For every transaction, there's a tax of 8%. 4% is locked forever. 4% is transferred to holders. That may sound familiar, and that's because SafeMoon does something similar, except it's 5% that's transferred to holders and 5% locked forever. And I love that concept. I really think it's a creative way to make money, but it really depends on timing with this. And so it's wonderful. You get in, you see your balance of this coin, this token increasing on a regular basis, and you compare that to Dogecoin. Dogecoin has a perpetually increasing supply of 10,000 coins a minute, 14.4 million a day. Its reign as the king of cryptos will come to an end, and maybe Octans will be the one that takes its place. Something else that I've noticed about this is that I don't see people shilling this in my TikToks on YouTube. I don't see much of that, and yet they've managed to build a community, and I'm very impressed by that. And so the burn plus the growth of the community, I see some things with this, and I think now the timing is really good. So tokens burn, let's talk about total supply. 1 quadrillion total supply, just like SafeMoon. 500 trillion initial burn, just like SafeMoon. Burn so far, we have 531 trillion, 720 billion, etc., etc. That's an aggressive burn. 13,156 holders, again, without much effort made by just different people pumping it. And a market cap of 39 million. I see some upward mobility here. And I want to take a look at the Whitepaper page. I just want to take a look at the chart real quick. You look at this chart and you see this is just what happens with coins when they're launched. You see an initial big surge, and then you see people take profits in a sell-off and some form of price discovery. But really, what what you are looking at right now is the beginning, the downward movement of a massive cup. And I called this already. We're going to see a cup. We're going to see, what do we have? 0.0000012 is essentially what this peaked at. So I've been following trends of coins like this after they launched. You see this massive run up. You see people take profits. So you see a sell off, and then you see a sort of cup pattern forming to then, after it goes up again, it goes up beyond this initial peak. And so I would expect it to go like 2.5 to 3 times this peak, have another sell-off. But I mean, if I'm right about that, then we are going to see something like a 10 to 20x. Long-term for all of these coins, these deflationary coins, I do expect much higher returns. But if you're looking for a short-term play, this is just... I think we're in a really good spot right now. And I think if you're watching this video anytime beyond April 9th, that you're going to see a higher price. Something similar happened with FastMoon, and I called it. When I made my video about FastMoon, it was essentially at the very bottom. and I bought in at the very bottom, and it's 5x'd since then. I think Fast Moon, well, now it's 4x'd. I think Fast Moon still has some movement upward to go before another phase of taking profits. And so you compare Fast Moon, when I made this video, right around there at the bottom, and I think something similar is happening with Octans right now. And so as far as the timing is concerned, good timing. Could it go down from here? Sure, it could. But what I expect is that, you know, all of the people who believe in it are holding. All the weak hands have been shaken, and it's time to move sideways for a little bit and then up. Looking at the Octans white paper, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not all that impressed. It's 9 pages. It's a PowerPoint slide, basically a PowerPoint presentation. Not a whole lot of words on the pages, but it's just, you know what the drill is here. You know, you know the 4% distribution to holders. You know the 4% burned. Essentially, they give their burn address. It's to prevent from rug pulls. You know, we see some terminology here, and I'll address this. Octa was thought to combat the following concerns of the DeFi world: yield farming, liquidity mining, staking. And the thing that they talk about here is impermanent loss. I see that very much with yield farming, not as much with staking. And I talked about that here. I talked about that on my video talking about PancakeSwap, which you can trade this coin on PancakeSwap. And staking in general, yield farming in general, just taking a look at the impermanent loss. And, you know, for some coins, that some of those things aren't a big deal. For other coins, I have lost more money than I would if I just hodled. So this is typical of deflationary meme coins right now, is that this combats impermanent loss because the total supply of your coins increases. And so great, you know, I'm happy with that. There's nothing special in particular about this page on the white paper, but great, you know, I'm happy that we're not dealing with impermanent loss. Again, talking more about the burn, about liquidity, about the remaining transactions. You're going to see the quantity of this coin go down over time, which means that the price has to increase and those zeros have to melt away. I don't know the time frame. I'm very curious because a lot of these, since SafeMoon was launched, a lot of these deflationary coins have been coming on the system, and I wouldn't be surprised if all of them were worth more one day than they are now. So great, you know, we talked about the total supply, the initial burn. We see the burn address. You could look that up yourself and see that that's where the burned coins are going. And so again, big things ahead. The fact that we are pre-Whitebit with this coin is significant to me. I hate to say it like this, but a lot of us were thrown off by Dogecoin's big jump with the Whitebit listing. So people are putting a lot of hope into once we get to Whitebit, the coin is going to shoot off like a rocket. And what we've seen with other cryptos, with Poodle, with SafeMoon, is sort of a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing, where it hits Whitebit and the price actually goes down because smart people, or at least devious people, they know that a lot of people are anticipating this Whitebit listing, and they're like, you know what? We're going to go up and up and up, and I'm going to be the first one to exit, and the price is going to go down. And so we are pre-Whitebit, which to me means that there's a lot of upward movement, and then perhaps once it hits Whitebit, the price will go down. But then after that, there'll be another price discovery mode, and who knows after that. This absolutely has the potential to go to the moon. And so other things happening, multi-exchanges, partnerships, merchandise, NFT marketplace. We'll see. We know the drill with this. If you watched any of my other videos, you know that the things that I communicate here, that a lot of it, at least for short term, if you're thinking short term, has to do with timing. And the timing right now is great. And if I'm wrong for some reason, you can come back to this video a week from now and see that I was wrong, but I don't think I am. I think if you're looking for short-term gains, the timing is great to get it. If you're looking for long-term gains, I think the timing is also great. So check out Octans. I'm very happy that you can trade it on PancakeSwap and not just Uniswap. So we deal with those low Binance gas fees versus the ridiculous Ethereum gas fees. But anyway, Let me know what you think about this project. There's a good post on Crypto Moonshots on the subreddit about it, and I would recommend that you check it out. Peace.